this one could work. All right, 6. All right, guys. So this one, we can start off with some frozen lemonade. Got to get that in here. Then come behind that with some frozen limeade. Vodka. Some of the good stuff, homeboy. Okay? Downtown Russia. So guys, right now, this is technically a drink. And now we come behind with our Coors Light. Oh, scheiße. Okay, this one could work. All right, 6. Oh, hey. Oh, okay, all right. Now, guys, I come over the top with my lemon lime soda. And this just makes this a nice, light, refreshing mix. Nothing crazy, okay? You get the beer flavor, but it's still refreshing, you know, with all the lemonade and the limeade. It's good stuff. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy going in there. Right. But we're still not done yet. Because now we gotta add a little color to this bad boy. So we're busting out the grenadine. And we come behind with a little bit of this and watch this go down the sides. Look at the color on that. Woo! And look at it settle right on top of that beer.
Lime, that's the limeade.
And the limeade or the vodka. It's a vodka limeade. Whatever it is, there's some settling going on. And there you have it. McDirty Mix by my boy Lance M. I don't get what's dirty about it, you know. I mean, it's a pretty clean drink to me. Kind of refreshing, if you ask me. Anyway, oh boy, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Later. Thank you, Lance M.